Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to focus on scatter graphs. Our key inquiry question: how to draw and interpret scatter graphs, how to identify correlation and make conclusion. The answers to the last lesson's task is in slide 2 for your reference. The 5 for 5 starter is in slide 4. It's important you attempt them on a piece of paper or an exercise book. Once completed, please check your answers in slide 5. Ms. Wilson wants to do some market research. She records the temperature each day and the amount of ice cream she sells in her shop. On Monday, it was 20 degrees Celsius. She sells 15 ice creams. On Tuesday, it was 15 and she sells 10 ice creams. The weather forecast for tomorrow says it will be 23. How many ice creams will she sell? We can use scatter graph to identify the relationship between the temperature and the amount of ice creams sold. And let's see how we could. Now, the temperature and the corresponding ice cream sold are demonstrated in a table. Now let's plot them on a scatter diagram. It's 20 degrees Celsius. 15 ice creams were sold. It was 15. 10 ice creams were sold, and when it was 23, 16 ice creams were sold. Can we expect a pattern? I could see as the temperature increases, the number of ice creams sold increases. If we plot more points, we could derive a relationship between temperature and the ice cream sold. A scatter graph compares two variables, in this case the temperature and the ice cream sold, to analyze whether there's a relationship between them. We can see more ice creams are sold on hotter days as one increases. As the temperature increases, the number of ice cream sold increases. Hence, there is positive correlation between the variables. This is the line of best fit, which is one line that goes through that's the line of best fit, as I mentioned, and that's the outlier which doesn't belong to the group of the data. So one day it was 10 degrees Celsius, however, there were 25 ice creams sold. Right, here are some other relationship and the correlation. And we've already discussed about the relationship between the temperature and the ice cream sold. What about the temperature and the sausage sold? It's a negative correlation because when one variable increases, the other decreases. If the temperature increases, the number of sausages sold decreases. Well, in this slide, we're focusing on a different kind of correlation. The relationship between A and B, it's a strong positive correlation because when we draw the line of best fit, most of the coordinates are on the line or they are very close to the line. This is weak positive because if you draw a line of best fit, the distance between the coordinates and line, it's larger. In this case, it's neither positive non-negative. Hence, it's no correlation. And we have strong negative, similar to strong positive, and a weak negative correlation. Let's look at another example. In this example, we're trying to find a relationship between age and the time they spend playing video games. Now, the data is represented on a scatter diagram here. The first question was to draw a line of best fit. Now, I plot three other coordinates, which are blue, for the data provided here because it asks us to plot the last three data points. The black ones are the ones done originally. What relationship, drawing the line of best fit. This line is an estimate. It should pass as close as possible to all points. It's an estimate, and it should be close to all the points. Now it's a negative correlation and it's weak. Write down the coordinates of an outlier and you can see 25,50. That's an outlier because it doesn't belong to the general trend. The last one. Possible reason for an outlier: someone is older but still spending a lot of time playing video games. Could be they work in the entertainment or the gaming industry. Now, using this as an example, I'd like you to try examples in slide 13, 14, and 15. Now, the answers are provided for your reference. Once completed, please open the scattergraph worksheet. You need to type in the answers in the given section. The given section you do need to. And some of the questions involves plotting the coordinates. For example, question 4. I've left coordinates or crosses in X. You need to drag them and place them in the right place. Once completed, if you want to draw a line of best fit, please select the line tool as shown and you can draw the line of best fit. Some questions there's no more plotting involved, so I haven't left any coordinates. Once you complete it, please attach this to the Google assignment. Don't share it with me. Just attach the completed worksheet with the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.